jumped up.
I'm recording.
He's like,
stop.
you stop me, you record.
They say stop, but you're recording.
Cause I know you're not. Stop.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do actually? I'm gonna go back to the crib and I'm gonna try to save the day and try to get people to throw down.
I put it on my Facebook and everything, and nobody's responding.
Cause all your videos suck.
Your videos suck. I didn't say video. I said status.
Oh my goodness. Well, your videos
Say
suck.
hi, Jamal.
Hold on. I'm gonna go back to the crib and try to get people. Alright.
I'm being recorded.
Stop.
What about Caitlin and Janelle?
Let me know.
Caitlin and Jenna are already out going out drinking.
Say hi, Savage.
Alright. Alright.
How am I?
Alright. I go back to the crib.
Everybody stops dead what they're doing when I put the video.
I'll hit up everybody.
Because you're sitting there in their face with a fucking camera.
Shut up. My stew. These guys are dumb.
This one's harder. Fail this one.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, got the buns.
Watch, fail that one. That one's harder right here.
Stop.
Right? And I was hitting it pretty hard.
I'm turning this off. Say bye. Oh my god, that's not how you look like woodpeckers.
Woodpecker. Put a
I think
fucking
that's why
metal
I'm dumb,
beam.
huh?
I know. That's probably why I'm so fucking stupid. I like to bang my head. What are you doing?
Get in your buns.
Go away.
Bye.
Ah.
Let's look at you. Huh? How do you like it? Now you're being recorded. Record it! Record it! No! Record it! Come here. Come here. You don't like cameras in your face, right?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, so look at it. Smile. Give us a smile. Give us a pretty little smile. Come on. Yeah, exactly.
You gave me a black eye. I feel it.
That's what you get for doing these.
No, he really hit my eye. And it hurts.
Open your eye wide.
Fuck this video.